Dear students, welcome and thank you for tuning in to this video. I'm Dr. Lyle Zobi. We are continuing our series of videos about linear kinetics of human movement as part of the biomechanics class. We started talking about Newton's laws of motion. In this video, I will be talking about Newton's second law, which is the law of acceleration. So what is the law of acceleration? We say that a force applied to a body causes an acceleration of the body that is of a magnitude proportional to the force applied, as well as that's in the direction of the force, and that is inversely proportional to the body's mass. This is giving us the famous formula that you can see at the right of your screen, which is force equals mass times acceleration. If we want to apply this law to a biomechanics example that is using the law of acceleration, the question is how much force must be applied by a kicker to give a stationary 2.5 kilogram ball an acceleration of 40 meters per second. We will apply the formula force equals mass times acceleration. So we're giving the mass, which is 2.5 kilograms, and the acceleration is 40 meters per second. I will multiply 2.5 by 40. Please note that we are using the SI unit, so I'm using kilograms for mass and meters per second squares for the acceleration in order to get my force in newtons. And that is a simple application and description of Newton's second law, the law of acceleration. Thank you for watching, and till the next video. Bye.